Hola amigos! Welcome to your essential Spanish lesson for summer travels. In this video, we're diving into something deliciously important: how to order ice cream and popsicles in Spanish-speaking countries. So whether you're heading to the beaches of Mexico or the streets of Spain, this video is going to be your tasty ticket for beating the heat in style this summer. So let's get started. First, let's cover some essential vocabulary. Ice cream, helado, helado. Popsicle, paleta, paleta. Flavor, sabor, sabor. Cone, cono. Cup, vaso. And scoop, bola. Let's practice these words together. Helado, paleta, sabor, cono, vaso, and bola. Awesome job! Now let's learn how to make a basic order. Here's a simple phrase to get you started. ¿Me puede dar un helado, por favor? Can you give me an ice cream, please? Remember, in Spanish, we often use can you give me instead of can I have. It's just a cultural difference. Don't worry, you're not actually asking for free ice cream. If you want a popsicle, instead of ice cream, you just switch the word helado for paleta, like this. ¿Me puede dar una paleta, por favor? Okay, now we're gonna role play a basic ice cream order. I'll be the vendor and you be the customer. Okay, so I'm gonna say, hello, good afternoon, what would you like? Ready? Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Qué desea? Okay, now you're gonna say, ¿me puede dar un helado, por favor? Go ahead. Okay, now I'm gonna ask you if you'd rather have it in a cone or a cup. Claro, en vaso o cono. You're gonna ask for it in a cone. En cono, por favor. All right, and now I'm gonna ask you what flavor. Ready? ¿De qué sabor? You're gonna answer chocolate like this. De chocolate, por favor. Great job! Now you can order a basic ice cream in Spanish. Okay, let's talk about ice cream flavors. Here are some common ones. Chocolate is chocolate. Vanilla, vainilla. Strawberry, fresa. Mango, this one's easy, mango. And passion fruit, maracuyá. In many Spanish-speaking countries, you'll find unique flavors like tamarind, tamarindo, coconut, coco, and dulce de leche, which is the same in both English and Spanish, dulce de leche. You can order multiple scoops or flavors like this. Dos bolas, por favor. Una de chocolate y otra de vainilla. 2 scoops, please, 1 chocolate and 1 vanilla. Or ask for a combination like mitad y mitad, por favor. Half and half, please. Now let's go over some cultural tips to enhance your ice cream experience. In many places, you can ask to try a flavor before ordering. ¿Puedo probar este sabor? Can I try this flavor? Don't be surprised if you see spicy options. Mango con chile or mango with chili is a popular one in Mexico. Look out for paletas mexicanas. These are fruit-based popsicles with a unique flavor. If your ice cream is melting, you might hear, se está derritiendo. It's melting. All right, now we're gonna put it all together with a little bit of a more advanced dialogue. Again, I'll be the vendor and you be the customer. Are you ready? First, I'm gonna greet you and ask how I can help, like this. Buenas tardes. ¿En qué le puedo ayudar? All right, now you're gonna try to ask for an ice cream with 2 scoops. Try saying this. Hola. ¿Me puede dar un helado de 2 bolas, por favor? Go ahead. Now I'm gonna ask if you want it in a cone or a cup. Ready? Claro! En cono o en vaso. You're gonna ask for a cone and then ask to try the passion fruit flavor. Are you ready? En cono, por favor. ¿Puedo probar el sabor de maracuyá? Por supuesto. Aquí tiene. Of course. Here you go. You're gonna say delicious and then ask for 2 scoops, 1 of passion fruit and 1 of chocolate. Try this. Delicioso. Quiero 2 bolas. Una de maracuyá y la otra de chocolate, por favor. All right, I'm gonna tell you, excellent choice. Here's your ice cream. Excelente elección. Aquí tienes su helado. Now you don't forget to say thank you. Muchas gracias. Awesome, you did it. And there you have it. Now you're ready to order popsicles and ice cream like a pro. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to use these phrases during your summer travels. Before we go, let's review one more essential phrase. Está delicioso. It's delicious, because trust me, you're gonna want to use that one a lot. Thank you for joining me on this sweet and tasty Spanish lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Spanish learning content. Hasta la próxima y buen provecho. Until next time, and enjoy your treat.